The PourMark Jet Etcher comes with everything you need to permanently mark glasses and improve portion control at your bar or restaurant. In the PourMark box, you'll find the PourMark Jet Etcher, an outlet tester, dust mask and safety goggles, a measuring cup, 5 bags of etching grit, a dry erase marker, and etching masks in 12 shapes. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Using the outlet tester, test the electrical outlet to ascertain proper wiring. This machine will not work if the outlet is not properly wired. Have an electrician properly wire the outlet if necessary. Do not plug the jet etcher in at this time. Next, you're going to add the etching grit to the etcher. Remove the black plastic cover from the fill hole on top of the etcher. Snip off just the tip of one of the bags of etching grit and pour the contents into the fill hole. Replace the cover. Determine how much you want to pour per glass in your bar or restaurant. For wine, a 5-ounce pour will yield 5 pours out of a 750 milliliter bottle. A 6-ounce pour will yield 4 pours. Fill the measuring cup provided with water to the level you want to pour. Be accurate. Errors reduce profits. Transfer the measured amount into the glass. Mark the fill level on the glass with the dry erase marker included. Empty the contents back into the measuring cup. Double check the fill level. Choose the shape you want to etch on your glasses. We're going to use the star for this demonstration. Peel the release paper off the back of the blue etching mask of your choice and adhere it to the black foam pad on the front of the etcher. Note that some of the masks have an up arrow engraved on them. Make sure the arrow is up, or the design will be upside down on your glass. Holding the glass upside down, place the glass on the tilt tray on the front of the etcher. Loosen the cam clamp handle on the left side of the swing arm. Push down gently on the glass and tray until the fill mark lines up with the hole in the etching mask. We recommend having the intended fill line at the bottom of the mark. Tilt the tray until the surface of the glass around the etching hole is parallel with the blue etching mask. Close the cam clamp to lock the tilt tray in place. Center the glass left to right about the etching mask hole and adjust the left-right centering guide against the glass. This will ensure that every glass will be positioned perfectly in line with the etcher. Double check the up-down level, left-right centering, and tilt angle are all still accurately lined up with the etching mask hole. Put the dust mask and safety goggles provided on. Plug in the jet etcher. To etch your first glass, position the glass on the tilt tray and press snugly against the blue etching mask. Make sure that the blue mask is sealed evenly against the glass around the mask hole and that the mask hole is aligned with the marker line. Pull the black lever all the way forward and count to 3, about 3 seconds. Let the black lever go all the way back before removing the glass from the etching mask. This will ensure that the etching grit won't come out the front. Check the quality of the etching. If it is too light, count to 3 more slowly when the glass is in the etcher. Now pour the contents of the measuring cup back into the glass and check your accuracy. As you etch glasses, the etching grit will wear out and will need replacing. To replace it, first remove the fill cap, then hold the measuring cup over the face of the etcher and pull the black lever forward for about a minute or until no more grit is coming out of the hole. Pour another bag of etching grit into the fill hole on top of the etcher. More than one bag will flood the machine, so always remove old grit before adding more. If you have questions about proper use of your PourMark Jet Etcher or to order more etching grit bags or blue etching masks, call 1-877-688-1942 weekdays between 8 and 4 Pacific Time or order online at PourMark.com.